Hello everyone. So you just install Xampp. Cannot use it. You want to search for the localhost in the search bar in your browser, even with the internet, and it doesn't work, alright? It appears a page of Xampp saying how to do it. Doesn't work much. And it could be just a blank page saying index.html in the top left, or just be completely blank and you don't know what to do. So let's get ready to do it. So you should just be like me, search for the localhost, right? Completely blank. Or another page that it's not what you want. You cannot reach your files. So you just Windows E in your keyboard. Now you are at the Explorer. You go to your PC, local disk, Xampp, htdocs. In here, it's everything that is it will be touched by the PHP, right? All your project folders should be in here. Now, you see this index.php, just delete it. Delete it. Reload the page, here you go. It works again. There are a lot of things that will be here, a lot of the folders that are not yours, but you just ignore them. You can create your own folders and work with it, your PHP and your MySQL, your stuff. Because Xampp, it's a very nice application to simulate a server in your PC, and the PHP needs a server to work. In this video, in the left or in the right, on one of the sides, you can just see the subscribe button. On the left, you can see a video, a video of mine, a nice video that you could see, and leave a like, please. Very fast video. Hope you guys did it, made it work. If it's another problem, let me know it. I will make another video just for you. Thank you guys and see you soon.